Okay, my beautiful friends, sit down and get ready because we have to talk. The propaganda ministry right now on this lovely Friday is in full swing, and we're gonna put things into the right perspective. Again, their job over there, the mainstream outlets are there to twist your mind and make you at least attempt to make you believe that what you are seeing is not real. But it's very real, people. You can count on that. So let's talk about this. So before we even go to the market, let's touch on again the propaganda from this morning. So we found out, and it's being pushed on the mainstream media like it's the greatest thing in the history of the world, that we got some kind of a great jobs number last month, and it's just laughable. Let me read this to you real quick. So this is the big news this morning. So according to what they want us to know, the U.S. economy added 531,000 jobs last month. Okay, but net, we continue to lose jobs. Okay, if you look at how many people per week are claiming first-time unemployment benefits and weigh that against supposed job creation, net, we are losing big time. Again, every month, about 1.2 million people applying for first-time unemployment benefits, and then during the entire month, we had 531,000 jobs. Oh, yeah, that sounds great to me. How about no? Let us move forward here a little bit. So they want us to believe, that the unemployment rate has dropped despite the fact that we are losing jobs every month. Now, the real number that matters, is how many people are in the workforce. Now, I made a nice, lovely chart for you, and I want to show this to you. This is from October 2001 until, this right now. How does this look? We're in terminal decline. Terminal decline. That's the financial crisis. That's when we were supposed to be in recovery, which we were not. Look at what was going on here. Down, down, down. And we continue to fall. That's where we are at. This is what you're not allowed to see. There is no recovery whatsoever. They can, again, with regard to all of this, it's just all crap. It's all propaganda, and you can't possibly make it up. I'm telling you. But that's just the way it is. Anyway, what else would you expect in this kind of a freak show, right? And just to push this point home here, that these numbers are not only fake, but the market knows that they are abysmal. This is real, okay? The rest of this stuff in the propaganda ministry with their big smiles on their face, look, we're doing better. No, we're not doing better. It's insane. It's an insane asylum. That's what this is here. But again, look at stock futures. Stock futures higher across the board. We do not get futures higher ever when we get good economic news. They only go higher when the economic news is abysmal. And the fact of the matter is, every single month we continue to lose jobs. The labor force participation rate in free fall. Period. The end. Oh, sure. Let's go back to the chart. You can get a little blip here or there, but look at the trend. Look at the trend. The trend is what matters. So imagine they would have flashed that on the mainstream media. Oh, no, they won't do that. You see, because people might understand that they're being lied to on a massive scale. But, no, everything's great. It's fantastic. It's tremendous. You know that. Anyway, people, that's really the story here. Let's go to the markets. Like I said, on the back of this news here, stock futures are higher, pointing towards record highs at the open. And that proves to you that, again, it's just a terrible thing. Now, if you were to go to the mainstream, they're going to try to tell you that stock futures are higher because it's tremendous news. It's fantastic. Rah, rah, rah. No, it is absolutely not true. Up is down. Black is white. Left is right. It's just, upside down, twisted, and everything you can possibly imagine. Let us move forward. Cryptocurrencies right now are flat. Gold and silver is flat. 10-year yield slightly lower, dollar slightly stronger. MMRI at 90. That's where we stand this morning. Crude oil is catching a bit, up about 1%. You know the story with crude, people. You know, it's amazing. Imagine, for example, like I covered yesterday, if people understood how it works with regard to crude oil being the lifeblood of the military-industrial complex, the fact that when crude oil is high, like it is now, you don't hear nothing. There's no terrorist attack. There's no bombings. There's no military strikes. Nothing at all. But as soon as crude falls, like say into the 60s, all of a sudden you get terror attacks and you get bombings and you get U.S. military strikes on wherever they want to hit. It's just incredible. But it's a game. It's a game, and they're trying to control the game. They're trying to control the narrative. Henceforth, like, you're not allowed to see something like that. You're supposed to be propagandized and lied to. Our economy, again, people, if you're new here, is shrinking at its fastest pace on record as a percentage of GDP. And debts and deficits are going to continue to balloon like I have told you for years and freaking years. It's not going to stop. Inflation is going to continue to surge out of control as the Federal Reserve continues to create inflation by design. What are they doing, people? What are they doing? They're issuing debt through one door. They're buying it back through another door. This process is going on 24 hours a day, over and over and over. It's massively inflationary. I've explain this to you since what seems to me like time immemorial. It's not going to stop. The Fed is going to continue to buy assets at a historic pace, creating distortions across this spectrum of asset classes like you can't possibly believe, all by design. Again, massive wealth transfer effect is going on right now, and the middle class is being eliminated. You want more proof? Here you go. All right, in your face. It's out of control. But you're not supposed to know that stuff. So don't share this video because people aren't supposed to know this. Oh, no, no, no. You're supposed to think everything is just fantastic and great. Anyway, that's it, people. That's where we stand this morning. And it's a freaking freak show of epic proportions. But you knew that already. Hey, look, we made it through another week. Well, almost. It is Friday. You're going to see me at the end of the day. We're going to sum this all up. And it's going to be just lovely, like it always is. Isn't it just always just beautiful? You and me getting together here like this and just understanding things. All right. Love you a lot. I do. I wish all of you at the end of the day. That's it.